How to create a post on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the plus icon on the top left of your screen. Here you will see various options. Tap on the post option in order to create a post. Now, go ahead and tap on the picture that you want to post or tap on the video that you want to post. You can also tap on the select option you see there if you want to make multiple posts on your Instagram. Now, once you have selected all the pictures that you want to post, tap on the next option on the top right of your screen and further, go ahead and make any required changes such as adding an audio to your post or adding text or adding overlay to your post, or you can also add filter or edit your picture or your video. Once you're done making the required changes, tap on next, and in this particular interface, go ahead and add in the caption for your post. You can also add poll or prompt, and further you can tag people and add location for your post. You can then go ahead and make other required changes and then tap on the share option once you are done making all the required changes. And now wait for the post to be posted, and with this, as you can see, the post has been made successfully. So this was about how you can create a post on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.